In this video we will learn about Neech Bhang RajaYoga, cancellation type and ways. How many ways Neech can be cancelled and it become Rajyog. So before starting, I assume the viewers have some basic knowledges. I have mentioned like prerequisites. Viewers have basic knowledge of houses, planets, karkas, natural malefic, benefic, functional malefic and benefic, use of divisional charts, bhavat bhavam, affliction, yogas, markesh and other basic knowledge. So status of planets. So again Neech is one of the status of planet, of any planet. It can be exalted and it can be debilitated, or it can be in on sign, enemy sign, friend sign. So in this video we will be limited assuming it is in debilitated sign. These are the details of each and every planet: sign of ownership, exaltation and debilitation sign. For example, for Sun, its own sign is Leo, exaltation sign is Aries and debilitation sign is Libra. In this video I have explained with the help of animation and provided sample examples or sample charts for viewers exercise. They can see whether it is applicable to the given chart on a given cancellation type, and if they want to comment, they can comment what is their finding. Okay, what is the result? Yoga indicates cancellation of the state of debilitation of a planet and yielding benefic result, instead being elevated to a Raj Yoga status. It means whenever Neech Bhanga happens, it gives results similar to Raj Yoga. So let's start with the condition number 1. How does Neech Bhanga happen? Condition number 1. Debilation lord of a debilitated planet is in a Kendra from Lagna. If I take one example, Aries sign, Saturn is debilitated here. Its debilitation lord is Mars. If it is placed in Kendra from Lagna, then this cancellation will happen. Neech Bhanga will happen for Saturn. So we have to understand, this is Lagna and these are the Kendra house. So I have taken one example. Mars is here, so cancellation is happening. So Mars can be in any of these houses and cancellation will happen. So these are the example charts. You can check which planet is fulfilling this condition. Moving to the next condition. Condition number 2. The debilitation lord of a debilitated planet is in a Kendra from Moon. It means in the first condition it was in Kendra from Lagna. Now it is in the Kendra from Moon. Same example, Aries sign, Saturn is there in debilitation condition. How it can cancel? When its lord Mars is placed in the Kendra from Moon. So Moon is here. So this is first house from Moon, this is the 4th house, this is 7th house and this is 10th house. If Mars is placed in any of these house, cancellation will happen. So in the given example, it is placed in the 7th house from the Moon. And these are the example charts for your exercise. Condition number 3. The exaltation lord of the debilitated planet is in a Kendra from Lagna. In first two condition it was a debilitated lord. In Kendra from Lagna and Moon, now exaltation lord of the debilitated planet is in a Kendra from Lagna. So let's say example, this is Capricorn sign and Jupiter is here debilitated, and its exaltation sign is Cancer and its lord is Moon. If it is placed in the Kendra from Lagna, then this cancellation will happen. So these are the Kendra sign. If Moon is placed in any of these signs, this will happen. And these are the example charts. Condition number 4. In the previous condition it was in the Kendra from Lagna. Now it is Kendra from Moon. Here Virgo is sign where Venus is debilitated. Its exaltation sign is Pisces. Its lord is Jupiter. It is placed in the Kendra from Lagna. We have to check the condition from Moon. Moon is here. So this is the first house from Moon, 4th house, 7th or 10th house. Okay. If Jupiter is placed in any of these sign, 4 sign, this cancellation will happen. Or Moon can be placed in anywhere, in any of the 12 houses, the same thing will apply. Okay. And this is the example chart. Condition number 5. The debilitated planet is associated with or aspected by its debilitation lord. It means where this a debilitated planet is placed, its lord is aspecting it or conjoined or having any relation. So in the given example, Jupiter is placed in its debilitation sign. In its debilitated lord or planet is Saturn. It is placed in this house and aspecting Jupiter from the third aspect. It can aspect it from the 7th. This is the 7th aspect, and this from here the 10th aspect. So Saturn can aspect Jupiter from these 3 places. Okay, then this condition will apply. These are the example charts. Moving to the next one, condition number 6. Debilitated planet is associated with or aspected by its exaltation lord. First, in the previous condition we have seen the debilitated lord. Now here is Virgo where Venus is debilitated. Its exaltation sign or lord is Jupiter and aspecting it. So Jupiter it is aspecting with the 7th aspect. It can aspect with the 9th aspect from here and the 5th aspect from here. Okay, in all 3 places Jupiter can aspect Venus, and this condition will apply of cancellation. This is the example chart. Cancellation condition number 7. The debilitated planet exchanges houses with its debilitation lord. Again, taking example of Jupiter, it is placed in the Capricorn sign and its own sign is Pisces where Saturn is sitting. It means they both exchange their houses. Saturn is placed in Jupiter house and Jupiter is placed in Saturn house. So this cancellation will apply. So this is 9 Sagittarius. If Saturn is here, then it will fulfill this condition as well. in both the places. In any of the places it will fulfill this condition. And this is a sample or example chart. Moving to the next condition, condition number 8. Two debilitated planets aspect each other. Very rare example. This is Aries sign where Saturn is debilitated. If it is aspected by Sun from the Libra, then this cancellation will happen. They are cancelling each other. Debilation. They are cancelling their debilation status of each other because both are debilitated. Saturn is debilitated in Aries and Sun is debilitated in Libra. This is the first example. Second example is Cancer. Here Mars is debilitated in opposite to this. In Capricorn, Jupiter is debilitated. So they are cancelling their debilitated status of each other. In these example chart, you can see which planet is or with which planet it is happening. And I have also mentioned one comment. In my view, it can happen only with Sun, Saturn, and Mars, Jupiter. You can post your comment. And the last condition, cancellation condition number 9. The debilitated planet is conjunct an exalted planet. So I am taking examples of Virgo where Venus is debilitated. If it is conjoined with Mercury, where Mercury is exalted in Virgo, then this debilation will cancel. This debilation state of Venus will cancel. And this is a example chart.